Okay, this is a 2000 Cherokee brake light switch, and getting these things out is kind of a pain in the neck. This here is a twist lock, so to get that thing out, all you have to do is twist it a little bit. You just have to turn it, and then it pops out. And this one was sticking. This should touch your brake pedal. There was about a 1/4 inch space in between it, so I had no brake lights on my Cherokee. It's a 2000 Cherokee. There's a groove on here that fits into the hole on your right by the brake pedal. You just twist it, and then the thing will slide out, and you put it back in. The new one should be like this, twisted when you get it, so that when you click it in, it ends up straight. The wires just pop off on the side. These little tabs pop out, and then it goes right on. Pretty easy.